Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video I'm going to be removing and reinstalling the rear liftgate speakers on this 2013 Cadillac SRX. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Open the liftgate. Next we're going to take this cover off. You can try to take this off with a trim tool right here. You can get underneath, but it's a little bit tight, so I'm just going to use a pick. Just be careful not to scratch the plastic. Get underneath here and pop it off there. Slide it out. Now we're going to take this screw out. It's a T30, so we'll use a T30 socket, extension, and a ratchet. So there's multiple clips that hold this in underneath here, and then a couple of retainers that go that way on the back. So we're just going to take some trim tools. We actually sell these trim tools at 1aauto.com. Just go underneath here, try to pry it out a little bit. You can just grab it with your hands and pull it straight down. Just gonna force it. And then the back is gonna come this way, just like that. See, these are those clips that are in the back. Be careful not to break those. And then you have all these other retainers all around. Now we're going to disconnect this electrical connector. Just push down on this lock, slide it off. Disconnect this connector right here. Take a straight blade screwdriver, just make it a little easier for you. You can slide it in here and just release the lock. Disconnect that connector. Take a 7mm socket and a ratchet. And there's two screws that we're going to take off, one right here, and there's also one right there. Oops. The speaker is a magnet, so I keep getting my ratchet stuck to it. Once you get it a little loose, it'll be a little easier just to do it by hand. Take that one out, and there's the speaker. Take this speaker, just take the screw, get that started. I'll get the other one started as well before I tighten them up. Take this 7mm socket and ratchet, and we'll just snug this up. It is in plastic, so you want to be careful not to over tighten it. Just snug. Do the same on this one. That's good. Take the electrical connector, line it up, lock it in place. I'll take this cover, connect the connector right here, lock it on. We want to slide these two pins in on the back first. Lock those on and then line up the other guides. There's a guide pin right here. You line that up and then line the other one up as well. And just push, give it a tap. Install this bolt. These are T30 socket, extension, and Once I get it down, I'll snug it up with the ratchet. Just snug, not too tight. It is plastic. Take this little cover, line it up, lock it in. And we can close this.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.